Welcome to part 1 of the best streaming devices in 2019. In this video, I'm going to give you my take on the Google Chromecast. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Simon, your guide to all things tech related. And here it is, the Google Chromecast, a small but powerful streaming device. It's easy to install as well. You first plug in the HDMI port from the Google Chromecast to your television. Then, you plug the USB port from the Google Chromecast to the USB port that's on your television in order to provide power to the Chromecast. You can also use the included power adapter as well. The Chromecast is a bit different from the other streaming devices, such as Roku and Apple TV. It doesn't have an interface. You'll basically rely on your mobile devices to cast the content that you're watching from your smartphone or tablet to your television. Your mobile device will act as your remote control as well. For example, I have Netflix installed on my phone, and instead of watching my favorite shows on my phone, I can simply hit the cast button and send that content to my television. Most video services support Chromecast. These include Netflix, Hulu, Vudu, and YouTube. The best way to look for video services that support Chromecast is by downloading the Google Home app. You'll need it anyways during the setup process. You can also cast music from your mobile device using the Chromecast, as long as your favorite streaming music app supports it. You can also cast video or your desktop from your computer using the Google Chrome browser. The one thing I don't like about the Google Chromecast is that it relies on your mobile device as the content provider to your television. That means you have to keep an eye out on the battery life on whatever mobile device that you're planning to use with the Google Chromecast. Also, as of right now, you can't cast any videos that are on the Amazon Prime Video app. Fortunately, Amazon has announced that they will be supporting Chromecast. We just don't know when. Overall, the Chromecast is a solid streaming device. It's also very affordable. The unit I'm reviewing is a second generation, but the third generation is nearly identical to the second generation. You can also get a 4K version as well. But what do you guys think of the Google Chromecast? Do you have one? What apps do you use to cast your content? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in getting the Google Chromecast, I'll have a link in the description box. Also, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified of new videos.